Hello everybody, welcome to TOEFL Preparation 1 with me, Mr. Jim, and today we are going to continue our lesson. Meeting 9 is about listening skill. Okay, in this opportunity you are going to continue to learn and understand about TOEFL listening, which is consists of skill 11 is about expression of agreement, skill 12 about expression of uncertainty and suggestion, and skill 13 for empathic expression of surprise, skill 14 for wishes, and skill 15 for untrue condition. Okay, next, skill 11 expression of agreement means that still same way that you have learned in meeting 1 or meeting 2, whereas you must focus on the second person or on the second line, but in this case it's about agreement. Okay, on the example you will hear two people, man and woman. Man, I think that the hypothesis is indivisible. Then the woman say, so do I. Remember guys, so do I, the woman responds. So the narrator said, what does the woman mean? So you are going to look for one different option from the option available. Okay, so I think that the hypothesis is indivisible. So do I. So it means that you are going to look for one option that represent of agreement. Okay, so she's answering about the hypothesis. The hypothesis is behind the fence. She thinks that hypothesis can be defended, or she agrees with the man. So the best answer, so do I, is similar to she agrees. Okay, right? Next. In this case, for the expression of agreement, you can see for the positive side and the negative sides. For the agreement with the positive statement consists of so do I, me too, I'll say, isn't it, you can say that again. While for negative agreement consists of neither do I don't either. Okay, next, skill 12, empathic for uncertainty and suggestion. Okay, it means that expression of uncertainty and suggestion are common in the short dialogue. Remember, are common in the short dialogue, so you should become familiar with them. The following examples show expression of uncertainty. For example, do you know anything about the final exam in physics? It's going to be rather difficult, isn't it? It's going to be rather difficult, isn't it? Then the narrator said, what does the woman mean? So it means that focus on the second line, is going to be rather difficult, isn't it? So what does the woman by saying is going to be rather difficult, isn't it? So the best answer in this case, she thinks that it might be hard. So the expression uncertainty and suggestion might try to look for one different option that from the option available. Okay, she thinks that it might be hard. That was the best response for is going to be rather difficult. Next, and the following are the table represent our uncertainty and suggestion. Uncertainty consists of isn't it, like a tag question, as far as I know, as far as I can tell you, why not, and let's for the suggestion. Okay, next, skill 13 is about expression of surprise. Okay, for example, did you see Paul driving around in this Mustang? Mustang means that a car, is a brand of car. Then he did get a new car. Then he didn't get a new car. What had the man thought? Be careful. Then he did get a new car. What had the man thought? Okay, so the option given to you, Paul would definitely get a Mustang. Paul did not know how to drive. Paul didn't like Mustang, or Paul will not get a new car. Okay, expression of surprise. Okay, in this dialogue, the empathy for form he did get used to show that the man surprised that Paul got a new car. It means that the man expected that Paul would not get a new car. So the best answer, then he did get a new car, Paul will not get a new car at all. So D is the best answer. Okay, next, and the following is the table represent our expression of empathic surprise. They are verb, empathic form, example, and meaning. Class, you must try to understand every single verb, empathic, the example, and especially for the meaning. So so that you do not make mistake in choosing or in select the best answer, especially in TOEFL listening. Okay, the following table is a present of empathic surprise, so be careful when you decide or choose for the best answer. Next, okay, key information about wishes. Okay, skill 14 is about wishes. Okay, then we continue to wishes. Okay, the point for example, meaning. Okay, an affirmative wish implies a negative reality. A negative wish implies an affirmative reality. For example, I wish I had time to help. I wish I did not have time to help. Okay, I wish I had time to help. I wish I did not have time to help. So the meaning is, for the first statement, say that I wish I have not time to help, no time to help. And different with the second term, I wish I did not have time to help means that time to help. Okay, next, skill 15, expression, listen for condition. Yeah, condition. For example, do you think that you will be able to go to the party? If I have time, I will go. What does the woman say about the party anyway? Okay, so the best answer, if I have time, I will go, it means that it is impossible to go. Okay, if I have time, I will go. Imagine in your mind, if I have a lot of money, I can buy a car, but in fact, in reality, you don't have much money at all. Okay, just like that. All right, next, the following is about the, what is it, the table, which is expression about condition, untrue condition. Okay, in this case, you must try to look for, to learn and to understand every single point about untrue condition. Okay, so I think that is enough for today for meeting 9. Make sure that you are able try to understand, to learn, and to try to catch up as fast as you can. And remember that try to focus on the second line every single meeting, especially for the listening TOEFL session. Okay, thank you and see you around. Bye.